Right now, Spencer and I just
Hands
left
on the ground.
Spencer and I just left my house, and it's raining outside, and we're walking to the school across the street, and there's a car.
And there's my pants on the ground.
And we have a big umbrella.
Oh, the car's coming.
Oh.
Pants on the ground.
Oh, he's a turn. Stop.
This is blowing like really
Walk
hard.
fast. Walk fast.
Oh no!
Watch out! There's a car coming. Walk fast. Spencer, come here. I don't want to get this wet. Spencer, come on. All right.
Pants on the ground. Pants on the ground.
So we're in the parking lot. Gotta make sure no one runs over us. Hold on. Wait, no, we're gonna go over here behind
Here,
the
Ben.
school.
Hold this for a second.
All right. So he has this I think it's like an anti-rape device.
Yes, you put it on your penis and it goes.
Spencer, stop it. Well, it hurts our ears, and we do it when cars go by, and it's really annoying. Hold on, I'm gonna. It's a mystery. All right, when cars go by, we're gonna wave at them. Wait, we're gonna wave at cars when they come by to see if they wave. Spencer.
No, let's walk really slowly across the street.
No, Spencer, there's something right there. No, Spencer, no. All right. Did you wave?
Yeah! Hey!
That's the first one out of like 7. There's one over there typing away. He saw us and he turned around. It was No-Mageddon for a second.
No-Mageddon. Ben, look at the umbrella.
It's like a hurricane out here.
Not really,
even though there's like not raining
really
at all.
Light. It's not very windy.
I know.
Like every once in a while, we're like, and that's why we scream, because
12th Elementary School. Ow! Stop hitting me with that little umbrella.
Wait, I think I hear a car. Never mind.
Hey! Dude, that grass is really green.
I want to like lick it or something.
Do it.
You know, there's a Band-Aid right there. I don't want to lick it now.
Wait, where?
Here, follow me. Follow me.
Oh.
It's a Band-Aid.
That's an intense Band-Aid. We finally found a place to get dry.
We're bears. Arr.
Hey, look. Oh my god. Oh, look, a car. Wait, where'd it go?
Like it's a cop car since we're up here, like comes up. Like,
Where'd it go? Maybe I'm hallucinating.
I'm seeing.
We're walking to like this corner over there. You can't see it. But there's gonna be a lot of cars and it's gonna be fun.
Ben.
Hey, look, there's
Ben.
What?
I have an idea.
What?
You stole the cookie. Lightning or something.
Look, a paper airplane. Hey, look, there's a playground.
Ben stole the cookie from the cookie jar. You don't even know how it goes.
I don't.
It's who, me? And I go, yes, you. And I say, couldn't be. And then you say, and I say, then who? And then you say, Spencer stole the cookie from the cookie jar. Okay?
Oh my god, I don't know how to do that.
Ben stole the cookie from the cookie jar.
Spencer stole the cookie.
No, that's not how it works. It's who, me, and then I go,
Who,
yes,
me?
yes, you. Could it be?
Could it be?
Then who?
Spencer stole the cookie from the cookie jar.
Who, me?
Yes, you.
Could it be?
Then who?
Ben stole the cookie from the cookie jar.
Who, me?
Yes, you.
Now who?
No,
overweight parking.
Is that a fat joke?
That's an overnight. Ow!
Got caught in the fence.
Hey, look, a fence.
Someone hit the fence, I think.
Where? Oh,
Okay.
oh, oh.
Let's not walk through that mud.
Let's do it.
Badass.
Dude, this is intense. There's like
Ben,
water running
Ben,
down
how
everything.
much, do you have your wallet with you?
No, I don't.
Shit. Left my wallet at home. So say if we have $3.50, we can hop on the bus and just ride around town. I know the routes. I know
that
the
wouldn't
routes.
be fun.
There's always, and there'd probably be no one in it. Actually, there'd probably be a lot because I don't want to walk. Look how fast this water's moving.
Dude, my feet are wet.
I got one too. Go! Go, go, go! Go, go, go!
Dude, that's a drain, and it's really intense.
I always used to be scared of those because, like, I saw It, the movie It.
Yeah, and I thought I'd be like sucked into it by like a rapist clown.
You like boats? I'm like, oh no.
That's an intense bear. Hi.
Oh, we're gonna get wet. Oh my god.
Oh no.
It's pulling me back. Big leaf.
Big leaf.
Another big leaf.
I like that one stuck. Come on, special ed leaf.
Woo! He's smoking. I should cough just to make him feel awkward. Take that, smoker.
Hey, look, there's someone over there.
Oh no, smoker tongue wrapping. Oh no. It hit me. Oh no.
Let me get on the umbrella.
Umbrella. If they go in the puddles, I'm gonna be pissed. Yes!
Spencer, lift up the umbrella.
Do you want to go to the,
green light.
corner?
Green light.
Go to the corner.
No, let's not go to the corner.
Oh! Oh!
Hi. Hi.
That bitch. I hope she gets hit.
Alright, we're walking back to my house.
We got some black...
Some weird guy was like following us in a truck.
We waved at him.
And we waved at him and then he stopped.
Like, no, he came by us.
He came by us.
We were walking, pulled a U-turn like shit was going down. I was scared.
Me too.
But,
alright, we're walking back now and we're gonna get some like
I had my Glock ready.
hot cocoa or something for my mom. So next video you see will probably be in my house.
Yes.
Yeah. Alright, I'm back at home and yeah, this is the end of the video. See ya. I'll make videos soon. Spencer died.
I got hit by a car.
I didn't die, it's right here, but you know what I mean. Hey look, post it.